Have you ever wondered what is the best way to consume turmeric so that you get the maximum benefits out of it? If you're not consuming turmeric correctly, you're just wasting your efforts. Today I'm sharing a comforting golden turmeric ginger tea that's warming, refreshing, and incredibly easy to make. And I will share tips on how to make turmeric tea more effective, as well as the best time to consume turmeric tea. First, let's look at the ingredients. You only need 5 simple ingredients. 2 cups of water, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, 2 cmp fresh ginger, 4 cmp Ceylon cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon homemade turmeric powder. This is the most important ingredient. Now let's start. Pour the water into a saucepan and keep it on a moderate heat. Add turmeric powder and give it a good stir. Then crush the rest of the ingredients in a mortar and pestle or a spice grinder. The ginger, cinnamon, and a little black pepper. Don't overdo on the black pepper as it may become too spicy. Turmeric contains curcumin, which the body absorbs poorly on its own. Black pepper contains piperine, a natural compound that can significantly increase curcumin absorption. Adding a small pinch of pepper is an easy way to help your body make better use of turmeric. Crush the ingredients coarsely, then add everything into the saucepan and mix well. Bring it to a gentle boil. Once it has started bubbling a little, reduce the heat to the lowest level and cover the saucepan. Let everything simmer for about 10 minutes. This allows the flavors to infuse beautifully. After 10 minutes, switch off the stove and allow the turmeric tea to cool down. Then strain the tea into your favorite jar. Now pour the turmeric tea into cups and serve. Look at the color. This is what you get from homemade turmeric powder. And the aroma is simply awesome. Something you'll never get from store-bought turmeric. Watch my previous video where I show in detail how to make turmeric powder at home. When is the best time to take turmeric tea? Contrary to popular belief, there's no advantage in taking turmeric tea on an empty stomach. In fact, the curcumin is absorbed better if it is taken with some food. Therefore, take the turmeric tea with food or after food to get the best out of the turmeric benefits for your health. Just before drinking the turmeric tea, stir in some virgin coconut oil. Research shows that turmeric is absorbed better if it is taken with some fats. Usually, ghee is suggested, but coconut oil is a good option for vegans. Mix well, and there you are, a wonderful cup of turmeric tea, the best way to reduce inflammation. And ginger is another ingredient that is highly regarded for inflammation. This golden tea is wonderfully warming and a lovely way to enjoy your homemade turmeric powder. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you like to enjoy turmeric. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.